In this problem, we'll find some function values. If f of x equals 1/2 x plus 1, we'll find f of 0, f of 1, and f of 2. Now what this means is, what is the function value when x is 0? To find f of 0, I replace the x's, any x's that might be in the formula for the function, with 0. In this case, this would be 1/2 times 0 plus 1, which is 0 plus 1, which is 1. So I have f of 0 equals 1. For f of 1, I have 1/2 times 1, replacing x with 1, plus 1, which is 1/2 plus 1, which is 3/2. So f of 1 is 3/2, or 1 1/2. F of 2 is 1/2 times 2, replacing x with 2, plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, or 2. So f of 2 is 2. And we found the function values f of 0, f of 1, and f of 2.